Assalamualaikum, my name is Fatina Alia binti Maudi. Now I will explain about lab activity 7. Okay, first it have book adapter.java. A book adapter is responsible for connecting book data to the user interface. It takes the list of books and display them properly in a list or recycle view by binding each book title, detail or image to the layout. In short, this class controls how each book item look on the screen. Next, share preference manager.java. The share preference manager handle local data storage using share preference. It mainly used to store and retrieve simple data such as login status or user information. This allows the app to remember whether a user is logged in even after the app is closed. Next, book.java. Book is a model class that represents a book object. It stores a book attribute such as ID, title, author, or description. This class is used to transfer structured book data between activity or adapter. Next, user.java. User is a model class that represents a user information. It stores data such as username, email, or user ID. This helps keep a user-related data organized and reusable across the application. Next is book detail activity.java. Book detail activity displays detailed information about a selected book. When a user clicks on a book from the list, this activity opens and shows full book detail. It receives the book data through intent. Next, book list activity.java. This book list activity displays a list of all available books. You work together with book adapter to show the data in a list format. This activity acts as the main browsing screen for books. Next one is login activity.java. Login activity handle user authentication. It allows user to enter their credentials and verify them before granting access to the app. If login is successful, the user is redirected to the main screen. Now move to the main activity.java. Main activity serves as the central or landing activity of the application. It manages navigation to other features such as book listing or user action. This is actually the first screen after a successful login. Next, new update book activity.java. New update book activity is used to add new book or update existing book information. It provides input file for book data and save the change accordingly. This supports the create and update operation in the system. Lastly, register activity.java. It allows new user to create an account. It collects user information, validate the input, and store the data in the Firebase. These activities support the user registration process. Overall, the application follows a clear structure where a model classes store the data, adapter classes manage data display, and activity classes control user interaction and navigation. Next, I will demonstrate how this application works. I will start from the login and registration process, followed by displaying the book list. Then I will show how user can view book detail and perform book update. This demo will help demonstrate how the Java classes work together to support the overall functionality of the application.